Hi everybody, and I'm glad to see you in my Microsoft Excel course. So I've found a lot of questions about how to freeze panels, like how to freeze columns or rows. And today I decided to show you how to do it really easily because it's really easy command, and I think you could learn it really quick. So first of all, for example, we have this table, and this is a really huge table, and we don't want every time scroll down, scroll up, this kind of boring, and like, yeah, we hate it. So first of all, let's go in a menu bar. We go to a view. Okay, so here we have all our view ribbon, and just check it out here. We have freeze panes, freeze row, and freeze first columns. So let's check how does it work. If we choose freeze top row, in this case, we are freezing this first row. So when we scroll down, every time our first row stay in the same position. Okay, and here we have a button which basically unfreeze panes. Let's click here, and the same situation. Also, we could freeze by the same position first column. In this case, if we scroll down left and right, our first column stay in the same position. So do you see? It's easy. And let's unfreeze them. Okay, but this is not everything. Usually I'm use absolutely different command which called freeze panes. For me, this is more kind of effective way of doing this, because for example, when I'm doing my tables, usually I'm not use first column and first row because like for me it's not comfortable, not convenient. Okay, so if you want to choose this command, first of all, you have to choose cell after which you want to have freeze your panes. For example, if you choose this, it's basically B2. In this case, what does it mean? Let's check. Go freeze panes, and do you see everything what was upper than second and lefter than B became in a freeze. So for example, do you see we have A were freezed, and second and first row were freeze. So let's unfreeze. And how could we work with it? For example, we want that our row with ID, name, and foreign code was freezed, and we also want that ID number of our people in this table were freezed. In this case, we have to choose C4. Why? Because everything which are upper than 4 gonna be freezed. It's basically 3, 2, and 1. And everything what on the left side after C column gonna be freezed also. In our case, it is column B. So if we choose C4, we will freeze third row and B column. If we choose, for example, D5, in this case, we will freeze C, B, A, and 4, 3, 2, 1 in rows. So let's just choose C4 because we want to freeze first, second, and third row and A and B column. So that's how it works. Please use it. It's really easy, and I'm really glad that I'm sharing with you guys. So subscribe, scroll down. Oh, also, if you have some specific question, I think I will be adding here like every 1 or 2 weeks a new video, so you could just text like, Dennis, could you please add some new video about this particular question. See you. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and guys, if you think that all of this stuff which I'm sharing with you is valuable, so please leave a comments, put some likes, and also you could sign up on my courses. I have some Udemy and Skillshare courses about Microsoft products and a lot of other stuff. Also, I have a couple of courses which are free. So thank you so much, and see you.